What's up, everyone? My name is Robin Ward here. Obviously, this is my actual phone. It's just on my phone I found. And my name's not actually Robin Ward. Yeah. But let's just get into this. So, I'm here playing Pics right now, and I just barely joined, so... Oh, okay. Tie. Yeah, no, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but I have a separate account. But I don't use it all too often because I don't really have my account right now on me at the moment. Okay, wrestle a bear or wrestle an alligator? Which one would you guys choose? I think I would rather wrestle a bear just to get some exercise in. But yeah, comments down below to see and tell me which one you wanna which one you would rather fight. Oh shoot. Okay, we're definitely gonna get killed right here. Oh, yep, bacon. Oh shoot, who on earth? What the hey? Okay, come here, come here, come here. Shoot, this guy has a big sword. I just died, huh? Yep, I did. Pancake and Toa. Pancake and Toa just killed me. That makes no sense, obviously. Yeah, this obviously makes no sense. Let me just go in and say that I'm my other thing, wreck. I am wreck. I'm wreck. Let's just say that right there, right now. And yep, let's go. Okay, let's see. Have supernatural strength and slash intelligence, or have supernatural agility. I think I'm actually gonna have strength and intelligence. Let's see. Comment down below which one you want to see, guys. I mean, which one you would rather do. I can do face cam if you guys are wondering. I just don't want to do face cam at the moment. Okay. Get the blue. Get the blue. Why the hey do I have a? Hey, I'm on your. Oh shoot, that's a blue. That's a blue. Go. Dang, I'm getting. Oof. I just got oofed by Pancake the Toa again. Ah! Oh wait, no, and Toa. Sorry. Ah! Honestly, no one cares. Okay, guys, I'll be right back.